Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update linear team permissions for organization-wide access, beginner guide step-by-step clearly. To update linear team permissions for organization-wide access, start by logging into your linear account. Navigate to the organization settings by clicking on your profile picture in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. On the left side, find and click on Teams. You will see a list of all the Select the team for which you want to update permissions. In the Team settings, locate the Permissions tab. Click on the Permissions tab to view the current access settings. Here, you will find various permission levels for different roles within the team. To change the permissions, click the drop-down next to each role. Choose the desired permission level from the options available. Make sure to review the permissions for each role carefully. Once you've made the necessary changes, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click the Save Changes button to apply the updated permissions. After saving, confirm that the changes reflect in the Team Permissions overview. You can repeat this process for any other teams within your organization. Finally, verify that team members have the correct access by asking for their feedback. Congratulations! You have successfully updated the linear team permissions for organization-wide access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.